Hello everyone. If you just start your journey in singing or piano, avoid these mistakes, or you will regret like I did. Today I'm going to break down the top 3 mistakes the beginners make, and to save time, energy, and frustration will improve faster. Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm a soprano. I compose my music, and I sing my own song, and I play piano. And I'm the best-selling author and a visionary leader in the world of music and art, known as the New Power Art. I help artists improve the income, impact, and the influence. Also, I help beginners level up fast. And today I'm going to share with you the top 3 mistakes that hold you back and how to fix them immediately. The mistake number 1: skip the basics. Here's the first one: skipping the basic. I know you want to play the coolest song and hit the high note immediately, but without solid foundations, posture, breathing skills, finger technique, your finger, you are building on the sand. You're building on the sand. I learned this the hard way. I tried a complicated piece. I tried a complex piece too early, and my voice cracked. My finger froze. Total frustration. How to fix it? Commit to the basic first. Warm up. Don't forget to warm up first. Skills, the simple exercises. The simple exercises aren't boring. They are your secret weapon. Building a strong foundation, and everything else will fall into place faster. Building the foundation, your secret weapon. Don't build on the sand. Now, mistake number 2: practicing wrong. Practicing ineffectively. Mistake number 2 is practicing, but doing it wrong. Hours at the piano, many hours. And singing without focus. That's wasted time. Here's how to practice smart. Break songs into chunks. Slow it down and speed it up gradually. Record yourself and catch errors you can't hear live. I used to spend hours practicing and barely improve. Once I started practicing smart, my progress skyrocketed. In this case, trust me, quality beat quantity every time. The mistake number 3: ignoring expression. No expression. The third mistake, ignoring expression. Beginners focus only on note, only the note. But music is a feeling. If you play perfectly but sound robotic, nobody connects. And a dynamic, phrasing, and emotion. Add dynamics, phrasing, and emotion. I started doing this, and suddenly my music breathed. Performance become memorable, not just correct. So what did I talk today? Let's wrap up. Don't skip basic. Without the basic, your building is built on the sand. The number 2, mistake number 2. Practice smart, not just long, not practice hours. Practice smartly. The mistake number 3. Play with feeling. When you connect your feeling with your audience, you engage with your audience, it will make the difference. Avoid this mistake, and you will progress faster than you ever imagined. Practice smartly. If this help, smash the like button and subscribe for more singing or piano tips. And comment below, which make this video reach more people and help more audience. Also comment, which mistake have you ever made before? Share your story. And this will help you to memorize your mistake and try to make a breakthrough. Using to know your mistake and then make a breakthrough. So let's give you the pop quiz. What is the 3 mistakes people made? What is the 3 mistakes the people make? Don't skip the basic. Practice smartly, not just a long time. And play with a feeling. Connect your emotion with your audience. Engage with your audience. You got it? If my message inspire you, don't forget subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.